What's up guys, APX Studio here and welcome to Pokemon Ultra Sun. And it has been many months since I uploaded a video, and because of my board exam I have to concentrate, and this is my final year in a school. So don't worry, I will also make an animation video soon. And about the Mario thing, I have some technical error. So after this episode I will try again to play. Okay, so let's start. Play the game in English. Begin game. Okay, Pikachu surfing. Your setting has been saved. Nice. We have a message from Alola region own professor. Kukui. Kukui. Sounds like a cookie name. Hang on now. Give me just a second. Hey there, good afternoon. So the day has finally come that you are moving to Alola. Alola is a region made up of several islands. That could be the reason the region is chock full of nothing but rare Pokemon, yeah. There's no shortage of cool Pokemon out here in Alola either. Such mysterious creatures. You find them all over, in the grass, in the caves, in the sky and sea. Here in Alola we love our Pokemon and we depend on them heaps too. Some of us even battle with them if we call ourselves Pokemon trainers. Rockruff, Cutiefly, I'll play with you later, so cool your jets. Alright, I gotta ask you some question about yourself so I can introduce you to everybody. So which photo should I use for your trainer passport? Okay. I'm not a girl. So I will choose this. You okay with the one you choose? Yeah? Yes. Alright then, I'll let you spell out your name for me. Wow, that's an honor. Okay, APX A and PX. Done. No. Ah. No. Wait, no. Yes. A P X. Yeah. So you go by Apex. Yep. Ten-4. Good buddy. 10-4. Good buddy. I let everybody out here know you're on your way. APX. Yeah, that's a name that hits you like a drop kick right to the head. Ouch. Can't wait to see you in person then, cousin. Oh, wait a minute. He's a cousin. Okay. Apex, come help me with these boxes. Okay, mom, coming. Lab, I think. Lily, and she's running from bad guys. What are Team Skull? Yeah, Skull something. That doesn't look like a skull to me. And she has something valuable inside her bag. Wait, it's a Pokemon. Wow. Inside a bag there's a title screen. Nice. Three months later. Wow. 3 months. That's Alolan Meowth, I think. Yeah, it must be. And that's my mom. A normal Meowth. But that's enough of that. Time to unpack all these boxes. Meow, go get Apex for me, would you? Meow. Wow, my room. Hey, that's me on right side. Meow. Pikachu. What are you doing? Don't jump. Ah, never mind. Oh wait. Ah, finally undercut. Oh, it looks so weird. It feels so weird. Okay, that's my clothes, I guess. Wear clothes. Why are you not wearing? I thought you will wear. Okay, TV. You can even take outside and play. That reminds me of meme. Wow. You are out like a light, weren't you? You out to be full of energy by now. And just look, it's already daytime here. It's completely the opposite of Kanto, but here we are so far away from here, far away here in Alola. That means on another side of world. So I'm very excited to meet some Alolan's Pokemon. Of course, I'm excited. That's why I want to hurry up and meet some too. We're living in the Alola region now. They're beautiful and everyone wants to visit. I'm sure the Pokemon living in a place like this must be friendly, right? It might not be bad idea to go out and see for yourself just how friendly Pokemon here are. Right, Apex, go and get ready for a bit of exploring. Your bag and hat and things should be hanging on your coat stand in your room. And didn't you leave your copy of Adventure Rules on the desk too? Okay, I have to wear clothes. Should I go back? Come on. Yes. I look so handsome. Now you will look ready for anything. Not anything, but even so, APX. Try to be careful walking through the tall grass. Still, I have to admit that I love you to have a new Pokemon around. Why don't you head towards Iki Town? Iki. Eh? And see what you discover in Alola. Meow. Okay. So let's go to Iki Town. That's a funny name. Iki. Iki. Okay, that's my. Oh wow. I really love this camera movement. Yeah. It actually feels so weird. I don't know why. Okay, so where do I have to go? Okay, let's try here. Okay, so this is route 1, and I think I should probably watch it cause it's dangerous to get close to Pokemon while using one of its moves. Okay. Rough. Okay, so I should not go there. Can I run? No, I can't. What about here? Wait, what do you say? Huss. What about you, little kid? You can go with me if you dash with A. Wait, really? Okay, wait, let's try. Such a terrible artist. No, I can't go with you. I'm pressing B. Oh, wait. Hey, wait, what did I did? Okay, fine. Okay. Also, okay, so X is menu and B is return. Wait, I can't press B. I mean, I can press, but it's not happening. Okay, so S. Oh, I can run. So S is like a B, because I'm playing in a Cytra emulator, and looks like there's a guy up here. The power of science is amazing. You can enjoy festival with people from around the world without taking a step. Every day is a festival when you can do that. Okay, let's quickly go. Something's come at you from tall grass. What's that? Yangus? Something? No, not Yangus. Gumshoe. I think it's Gumshoe. Yeah, started to rescue. Rowlet. Who? Mrar. Bark, bark. Okay, that's weird. Yeah. Pussy. Okay. So, I should choose starter, right? Hey there, cousin. Hang on, I know you. You are Apex. What? I'm your cousin. How can you forget me? You are Apex, right? You okay? I saw you to get attacked like that. Yeah, I got. Yeah. Bit of help. Looks like you did. What I did? Though I sure didn't expect that. Yeah. I didn't think these little fellows would dash out on their own to help save a stranger. But I guess I'm getting ahead of myself. Welcome to Alola, the Pokemon Paradise. That's what I'm supposed to be saying. I'm Kukui, yeah, the Pokemon professor. I'm your cousin. I should be knowing about you. Don't you ever forget. You can go anywhere, yeah, as long as you got Pokemon in your corner. Wild Pokemon who could be lurking in the tall grass. Yeah, just waiting to heap out and bite you. But you'll be fine if you got a partner of your own. Hey there. Hey, let me use the Pokemon help you just now. This is grass type Pokemon, Rowlet. Ooh. And in the fire time, Litten. And water type Pokemon, Popplio. Yeah, I see. The fact of the matter is, one of the Pokemon become your first. Yeah, maybe that's why they wanted to save you. Go on and choose you like to keep as your partner, cousin. Okay, so when we go and choose the one thing you like. Okay, so I don't like Popplio so much, and I kinda like a grass type, but I don't think I should go with Rowlet. So Litten is almost everybody's choice. Plus I like that cat so much. So I'll go with Litten. Or maybe may use fighter, but it's one cool cat. So you wanna go with fire type Pokemon Litten? Yep. Okay. Litten. Wow. Staring contest. Ah. I won. You chose Litten. Would you like to give a Litten nickname? Yup. I will name it Harry. That's what I name every starter of my Pokemon. Harry. I don't know why. It's not about Harry Potter, but I still like to give Harry for no reason. Harry has been added to your party. Yeah, nice. I kinda haven't decided what team I should use, but on the way we'll see. Now that you can have Pokemon battle, you are what we call a Pokemon trainer. Here's a Pokeball for Litten too. It should feel nice and cozy. Iki, what? Time to meet the island Kahuna. Island Kahuna. Truth is that partner Litten is a gift from the Kahuna, not me. So let's go show it off and say a proper thank you, cousin. It may not be the only gift you get. In case you hadn't heard, the Kahuna are all crazy strong Pokemon trainers. Be careful about getting into battle with one. Cool. I'm so excited to use Z-move. I never use a Z-move. Aiki town is right here, right up here. Oh wait, it's just short distance. Get lit in there in that Pokemon I gave you. Okay. Okay, so okay, I think I already recorded very much. So I guess this is it. Thank you guys for watching the first episode, and see you guys next time. Bye.